There's still 2 feet of snow in my yard, so I think we can get away with this. And I wanted to do one of my songs that we can sing well in harmony together. This is, I think, the best one for that. So this is why we chose it. Note from your mouth, little winter bird, little winter bird, little winter bird, little winter bird. The leaves swirl from trees through the air, blanket the ground, frosty yellows and browns, but the evergreens have never been that bare. They carry the weight while the snow bears them down, little winter bird, little winter bird, little winter bird. Little winter bird, in her lair the sleeping bear is breathing slow, and the winds blow and freeze while fat bumblebees and the foxes rest in nests beneath the snow. Still the sweet chickadee sings her little song to me. All your fair-feathered friends have high-tailed it south, high-winged it south. You don't go even though the autumn ends, and you gladden my heart with each note from your mouth, little winter bird, little winter bird, little winter bird, little winter bird, little winter bird. Little winter bird, 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 winter bird, little 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 winter bird.